Okay, I just posted a wildfire smoke update and said that it's clearing out, which it is. There is some high level smoke, but I knew it was taking its toll on my vegetable gardens, especially my green beans. They still look alive. The bell peppers, they a little saggy, probably because the heat's coming in, but I watered this morning. My teardrop tomatoes are getting really stringy, but not looking bad. But what's really getting me is tomatoes, not so good, but got a couple. I had a couple more teardrop tomatoes, and they are huge. They're not quite ripening yet, but huge. Yeah, little baby salad tomatoes. I've been picking those because they're going. But this is what really gets me. Not my potatoes. They're growing. But these bell peppers, look at that. And there's another one hiding in here. Holy smokes. Thing is, I'm a rookie with this gardening. And when I planted seeds, I didn't know what this was. I had a bunch of extra seeds between yellow, red, and orange, and I planted them and threw them in. So I don't know. Is that red, yellow, orange? It's not green because I had no green bell pepper seeds. Holy smokes. Let me know if anyone knows what that is. If it's green, yellow, or red, let me know. And follow me so everyone can see our comments. And please don't tell me you're just going to have to wait and see. Ooh, how much fun is that? Wow. So crazy. Look at how huge those are. Wow. Again, follow me. Let's keep updated. Thanks everyone for watching. Keep your hopes and your prayers for those near the wildfires that have lost their homes. So sad to hear that. Oh man, that's so sad. Thanks again, everybody.